Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect your VPN to Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to connect your VPN, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Play Store app and install a third-party VPN. Just go for search and here just search for VPN and you'll get a lot of VPNs. You just have to select one of them if you want to install, as I have already installed this one. So just tap on open after installation and here just wait for its loading and then just tap on connect and you can see the VPN has been connected. Just tap on globe icon to change the server here, and after that just go back into the more VPN settings, open settings app, select more connections, then select VPN, and here you will get all the VPNs you have. I have only one. If you have any VPN, just have to tap on add. You can easily add new VPN here, and here you can easily manage your VPNs by connecting or disconnecting directly from here. Just tap on settings to get more settings of VPN. So that's how you can easily connect your VPN on Vivo Y03t. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.